Hello and welcome back to another Notion videos. Yay! Alright, so today I'm gonna make a tutorial video about how to make link in bio or Linktree website using Notion. And it's really easy. So even if you're just started using Notion, if you're just a Notion newbie, you can make it. It's really easy. It's just 5-minute steps or maybe 10 minutes max. So yeah, it's really easy. And let's just get into it. So here's my couple template that is not related to this video, but I have a separate video about that. Maybe you can check that out. It's really cool. Wink wink, I think. Wink wink. Go check it out. Wink wink. Alright, so first step is make a Notion account if you don't have one yet. So let's just make it. Just go to notion.so and make an account. It's pretty simple. You can just sign in using your Google account or anything. I know you can make an account, right? You can make it. I believe in you, so just make it. Alright, so when you make your Notion account, there will be like a template one. You can just delete that if you don't want to. You can delete all of that and make a new one, make a new page by clicking over here or over here, the plus button. So either this or this. Okay, let's just click this. So if you click the last one, it's gonna like a pop-up one, but it's okay. You can just click over here and it's gonna be full screen. Ta-da! Magic technology. So yeah, it's untitled page. What you want to do is you want to name it your name. If you want to do like your profile or your YouTube channel or your company or whatever, your brand. Right, let's name it Ragdoll in Pajama, my YouTube channel. Alright, after that you want to add an icon. This is really important because it's gonna be your profile picture. You can upload your profile picture or your YouTube logo, your brand logo or whatever. Here, click the custom tab and then upload file. And I didn't prepare anything, so let's just use emoji pretending it's to be my icon, my face. Let's see, maybe I am an alien. How about that? Right, you can change it later if you don't want to, so it's really customizable. And then you want to add a cover because everyone likes pictures, right? So you'll add a cover and then you can change it. Notion has a gallery here, or you can upload your banner here, or you can link it if you're stealing from internet, from Google, or you can use Unsplash. For example, I want a cool banner, please. There you go, cool. Look at that, it even spelled it out for me. Ta-da! Wait, what? There you go, cool. And you can also reposition it by clicking on it and dragging it. Maybe you want the people face to be visible, or you don't want them at all because it's creepy. So like that. Alright. And then what you want to do next is to click over here and well, you can add a header by typing slash and then type header. I mean heading. So let's just like heading 2, not too big, not too small. For example, like social media, and then press enter. It's gonna make a new line. Then here is the main part. the main part of all of this link in bio thing, which is your links. Yay. Let's type slash, or you can just click this dot thing and type call out. It's the same thing. See, call out. Or you can just type slash call out. It's the same thing. So yeah, let's click that call out, and voila, it's there, your buttons. And you can add icon too. Let's see, do they have YouTube icon here? No? Okay, so that's why I'm prepared. I have this thing ready for me. It's icons8.com. You can search, for example, YouTube, click enter, and it's gonna show you like YouTube logo with all kinds of style, so you can choose whichever style you want. Why you're not load yet? Come on, cooperate internet. Why this has happened to me every time I film? The internet can be so dumb. Alright, let's wait.
Many unbearable hours later.
And there you go. This is what I said. YouTube logo with all kinds of styles. See, they even have, do they have the old ones? Nah, I don't know. At least this is like old, like before just the play button, right? They used to have this. Alright, stop nostalgiating. Let's pick our favorite one. Maybe this one. I like this one a lot. It's Doodle. Alright, let's click that and then right click and copy the link address, or you can just save it if you want to, but let's just copy the link address and then click over here, click custom tab, and then paste the link, submit, and there you go, your icon, YouTube icon. You can type just YouTube, or maybe you want to add your channel's name, like Rectal in Pajama. And then what you want to do next is you select all the text, and then it's gonna this thing gonna appear like magic. You wanna click the link button, and then you copy the link and paste it here, your YouTube channel. So for example, just type youtube.com/whatever. In here I'm gonna just say youtube.com and link to web page, and there you go. So if you click it, it's gonna bring you to the YouTube. Alright, and then you can add more. Just it's the same steps, call out, and let's do Instagram next. Cooperate internet, Instagram. There you go, now you're fast. Alright, let's choose. Ooh, what is this? This is so cool. But if it's like this small, it's not gonna show, right? So let's just choose the normal one. Maybe this one is kinda cute, I like it. Let's copy the link and then paste it here, and let's type Instagram, or just type Ragdoll, your name, or maybe like personal Instagram or business Instagram if you have that. Personal Instagram, and then you can add another one for business Instagram. So yeah, that's kind of useful, right? So it's the same thing. You select the text, link it to maybe instagram.com. Right, link to web page. All right, and then you can change the colors of the block here. So what you want to do is you click this dot thing, color, and what I like is to change the background, not to change the text itself. So maybe YouTube is red, so red background, and Instagram, maybe Instagram is green maybe, I don't know. So there you go. You can add another one, another heading if you want. Heading maybe like contact me or something, I don't know. You can add whatever you like, okay? I don't judge, but maybe the internet does. So yeah, for example, just call me 1 2 3 4 5. I mean, no, we gonna make things better. So I think they have telephone. They has to be telephone, like that. And you can type telephone here. You select the text and then you link it, okay? You want to type tel and then what is it called, this thing, the 2 dots, what is it called? Why am I dumb? So tel and then this 2 dots and your phone number. Remember to use the country code. For example, Indonesia is 62, so 62 and then maybe plus, right? Plus 62 and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or like that. So you link to URL. So if they click it, it's not gonna work in laptops, but if it's in what it called, smartphone, if you click it on your smartphone, it's gonna bring you to your phone app, and it's gonna actually paste the number to your phone app, which is really cool. And for email, it's the same thing, okay? Call out.
5 minutes later.
All right, and you highlight the text as usual, link it. Now you want to link it to mail to, and then the 2 dots and your email address, for example abcd@youtube.com. So it's the same thing with the telephone. It's just gonna bring you to your mail app and compose email to this email you just wrote. So yeah, it's really cool, right? And then this is the final step for the Notion part. You want to click share to web. You want to toggle it on, and if you don't want to allow everyone to duplicate your template, you can just turn it off. Maybe it contains like sensitive information, you don't want just anyone to copy it, so just turn it off. And then it's pretty much done for the Notion part. You can stop here if you want to. You can just copy the link, right, and then you paste it, and it's just gonna bring you to your website, basically. Ta-da! Your website. It's cool. All right, you can just stop here, or if you want to continue to a step further, you can open super.so and you want to make a new account. It's the same thing. It's just make a new account. I know you can do it. Come on, just do it. And once you made your account, you're gonna be here, just a blank thing, and what you want to do is click new site and free site. Or if you want upgraded site, you can. It allows for more customization because you can edit the code. You cannot do that in free site, but if you're just getting started, I think free site is good enough. So the site, you can just type the same thing, the same title, like ragdoll in pajama. All right, and then copy the page link that we just paste the page link that we just copy. English is hard. All right, just paste that and then click create, and ta-da, this is your website. Yay. You can just click it here. It's basically the same thing as the Notion one, just slightly different colors, right? And let's get into that now. All right, so what can you do here is you can change like the layout of your website. For example, how to do that is to click design over here and then create a new theme name, maybe like theme, I don't know, continue. All right, here is the magic begin. The first one is colors. You can change like the page background if you want it like pink, maybe you can change it to whatever you want. So yeah, and you can change the default color mode, light or dark. You can edit both light and dark like that. You can change the background if you just want like a grayish one instead of like pure black. And then you can, the most important thing I think is the Notion colors. It's basically the call out box colors. For example, green, you can change it to like a neon green. I kind of like that. Okay, let's just leave that there. And we use red, right? So where is red? Oh, you're hiding there. Red, maybe you want to change it here like that, more bold red. So yeah, let's leave it at that. You can also change it in the dark mode as well. See, if it's like the default, it's the colors doesn't pop, which I don't really like. So let's change that. Let's bring it to lighter one. There you go, it pops more. And then red, come on. All right, like that. And then save it. And oh yeah, you can also preview it, the mobile site, by clicking this. This is how your website look in mobile. So yeah, and then you can change the typography. The primary font is the title. So let's change that to Qtif or Azure. I don't know, anything you like. Let's just choose one. Maybe this one. It's kind of cursive font. Okay, let's just save that. In Notion you cannot do this. So in Notion you can only change the default serif and mono. So that's really cool. You can change it here. And then you can also change the secondary font, maybe Arfo or Bitter. Save. There you go. You can also change the size. Maybe you want it to be big and bold, so you want to max the base one. So base is you basically just change all of the fonts, I mean all of the size. So yeah, or you want to just change the title. So here is the title. Maybe you want it big like this, or you want it small. And heading, you can also change the heading. And then quote. Quote, we don't use quote here, so it's irrelevant. But if you use quote, you can change it as well. All right, let's save that. Oh, you want to preview it in mobile first. So here it's gonna look in mobile. And once you're satisfied, you save, and then you go back. And what you want to do next is the layout. And the most important one, I think, is the rounded edges, because you can round the call out box edges. Here you go, like that. It's round now. Everyone like rounded edges more, right? I don't know, it's just gonna have like a soft feeling to it. So I like the rounded edges more. And then the next one you want to change is the title and icon. Here it's like the left one, but you can change it to the middle. Ta-da! It's now in the middle. Like typical Linktree, link in bio website, it's in the middle. So there you go, if you want to change it. And this one is irrelevant to this, so if you want to play it later you can. For now, let's just save it, go back, and then I think that's it. Block is the call out thing. You can add shadow if you want, but I don't really like it. But if you like it, you can add it, maybe like medium. Save. And that's it for the theme. Now you can choose the theme one. Ta-da! It changed it. So if you click your website, it's gonna look like the one in the preview, I hope. Come on, cooperate. Why it's taking so long? Alright, what? It's not yet. Oh, click save. I forgot. Okay, let's refresh that. Come on, come on, come on. There you go. It's changed. It's cool now, like the banner said, cool. And then what you can do next is, let me see, the navbar? No, I kind of forgot. The option? Yeah, the option, you can change the site favicon, which is the thing over here. So once again, you can use the icons and icons 8 icon. For example, I want like a Santa Claus, like Santa favicon. So let's use this one, the homeless Santa. Let's copy the link and then wait, I think you cannot. You have to download it. So let's just download it and then upload image here, Santa, and upload it and you save. Ta-da, it's changed here. Let's see if it's changed over here too. Come on. There you go, it changed. Yay, it worked. So yeah, the main benefit I think is the typography and the rounded edges. And other thing is the web domain, the web link is so much shorter than, let's see, the Notion URL. No, detailed. See, the Notion URL is so long. So yeah, it's really cool, right, to have a short and cool website. It's actually not random thing, it's .site, so it's super super easy to remember. Not intended, okay, the pun not intended. So yeah, I think that's it for the customization. If you buy the upgraded one, you can customize the code, which essentially make you like a god. Like a god to this website. You can change everything now, not just the typography, the rounded edges, the shadows. You can change everything. You can change the layouts and stuff. I don't know coding, so yeah, if you want to, you can just buy the upgraded one and then change it to however you like. But all right, let's just end it here. I just hope it's not too long. I hope it's not too long. It's already like 27 minutes. So yeah, tell me if you made your Linktree one and how you feel about it, your impression, your comments. So yeah, just comment down below, and I'll put the essential link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. This time I think you don't need the duplicate, right? You don't need to duplicate this, right? You can just make it your own. That's a test for you. Okay, that's a test, so you have to make it your own. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you if you want to make your own website, your link in bio website. Please subscribe if it helped, and then like the video, subscribe, comment. Yeah, subscribe twice. So yeah, that's it. Bye.